Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a really lovely day. Guys, this video is all about my eBay mystery toy box purchase. This box cost me £10, including delivery. So that's pretty spot on. There's a lot of little small toys inside here, blind bags, things like that. The description the seller gave me was small toys. So it's a small box. Without wasting any time, I'll give you guys a quick overview of what we've got inside here. Okay, so first thing we pull out are, a set of 3. These are attached. And these are, I don't know what these are. Okay, they're 3 little sachets. We're going to take this one. Okay, guys, so hit the bomb, watch it blow, see the surprise. Okay, so, guys, this is probably going to be loud. I'm going to tilt you guys down so you can see better. So, whoa, my gosh. That is not what I expected. So, this little item completely burst from inside the packaging. And what we get, this is cute. We get a little congratulations balloon. It obviously has a little ring pull at the top to put your balloon tie on. But I'm assuming these are all the same. We've got happy birthday. We've got celebrate. You can write to and from. That is a cute little extra surprise. This is rock hard. Whatever the little sachet is inside this, I can hear it fizzing. Can you guys? I'm not sure what that is, but look at this gorgeous, cute little balloon. So they're fun, super surprise if you wanted to add a little bit of something extra to a birthday card or a congratulations card. Next little items. Okay, we have some slime. Oh my gosh, a long time since I've done a slime video. But this is a slime test tube slime. I'm assuming it's jiggly. This is the slime, guys. I'm not going to take it out of the container because it will dirty my whole hands, and then we'll have to pause the video. But you've got this almost sunset color. It is jiggly slime. We'll maybe look at that closer to the end, but that's pretty decent. We have a little Glow Par surprise novelty. More glow for your money. What surprise will you get inside? It glows for hours. Okay, so let's open our little blind bag. I love blind bags. I love that I got a mystery box with surprises, a surprise mystery box. And inside the mystery box, I'm getting surprises, so that's pretty cool. What have I got? Oh my gosh, this is one of those little clackers, if I've got it right. So you've got this tiny little glow stick. We're going to go ahead and glow it up. It's in green, super bright. You pop it in here. Oh, I'm not doing this right. I never could do these as a kid either. Oh dear. But it's this. If you know her. Oh, did we get it? Maybe. So it's this little glow stick clacker, which is fun. Could be quite annoying after a while. The sound of this clacker is crazy, but still fun. I'm still pretty happy with that. The next thing that we've got is a Slytherin. This is a bracelet. It contains 1 bracelet. There are 10 to collect. Doesn't show you which 10 that you can get. Let's go ahead and open our surprise. Oh my gosh, this is a pretty bracelet. This is not what I was expecting, but a nice little multicolored rainbow pretty girls bracelet. It's a little snug for me, but I am not. These pop off, so you can rearrange them into whatever color that you want. That's pretty awesome. Yep, and they just pop back into place. So you can change up these colors to whatever you want. That's pretty cute. I like that. I know little girl I can give that to. I just threw my rubbish in with my fruit. I don't know why I did that, but crazy. So far, I think we're doing pretty okay. Pull you guys back a little bit. Let's see what else we've got. Let's pull out a few other items. Okay, we've got this adorable little narwhal purse. This is a Cutikins, and it is a cute coin purse. It's for 3 and up. This is a gorgeous color. Narwhal, one of my favorite little animals. I think they're super cute, probably exceptionally dangerous, but still very, very cute. Just a little piece of foam to keep the shape inside, but quite a nice, sturdy little coin purse. That's cute. I pulled some stuff out. Oh, we have an Ozini. I cannot pronounce that name. If you guys can, there's no point leaving in the comments because you guys won't be able to say it, but that's my interpretation of the name. And this is an Army Guard Max War Collect 'em all. Okay, so this is all of the ones that you can collect. I hate when they put these safety things over. I don't even know if you can take this off. They put it over the ones that you can collect. I really, really don't like that. But let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, this is a build. Won't take very long. You have your little army guy. You have his little army helmet, and you have his little gun. I don't know how this is supposed to attach. I would probably assume right here. It's not a great fit, guys, so that doesn't attach very well, but I'm not mad at it. I still think it's quite cute. You've got your little army guy. Cute, cute, cute. He's got this worrying grin on his face. Just almost Lego typed, so that's cute. What else did we get? Oh gosh, we got a Harry Potter keyring. Nice. It's got all of the houses, and it says Hogwarts, so that's pretty cute. Like that. Not mad at it at all. The next thing that we have is a Splatter Fruit. This is a sticky and stretchy. Great. And it says Splat It. So let's go ahead and rip that right open and see what we got. Okay, this is a printed pineapple. It is pretty sticky. Let's see how it does on the splat front. Oh, that didn't do that very hard at all. Okay, it is pretty sticky and very, very splattable. But I just love when you're able to do this. So that's a lot of fun. Nice. Guys, I'm pretty happy for a £10 mystery toy box. I mean, I'm pretty happy so far with the things that we've gotten. But this box is still jam-packed full of more stuff. So let's have a look inside and see what else we've got. Okay, these are these little party favor things. I mean, I've seen these everywhere. This is just an ice cream cone. You pop it down. Oh, it's got the string tangled, like completely tangled. Or did I just take it out wrong? Okay, so it is a little ice cream scoop on the top, an ice cream cone. You push it in, hear the click, and you can pop it out. Doesn't go very far, but it's still a cute, fun little toy. Don't know what I'll do with this. Maybe put it in a giveaway. Some of you guys might like it. But yeah, that's pretty fun. The next thing that we have, oh, guys, look. We have a Paw Patrol Nickelodeon. This looks like it's in a completely different language. That is perfectly okay. I just can't read it. But it's a fidget spinner and book. So let's go ahead and, how do we open this? I thought there was some tape here. Oh, there is. So let's open this up and let's see what we get. So we get this little book. Guys, I don't know what language this is in. It seems to me like it might be in Spanish, but it's an activity book. Unless I guess you know Spanish, this is probably not going to be much use, but I don't mind that. It's just a little fun book, but you get a fun fidget spinner. It's a 10 spinner. I don't know what that means. And it is a Nickelodeon licensed product. Let me just see what we've got. Okay, inside you have your little quality control sticker. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. We've got a Paw Patrol fidget spinner. I mean, not a bad spinner for a little kid. I like that we've got, okay, let's see. I think this is Rocky. I think this is a rocky fidget spinner. I mean, that's pretty cute, pretty fun. I mean, I would be happy enough with that. So that's pretty awesome. Guys, the next thing that we have, oh my goodness, this, I've bought these before. This is a World Architecture 3D puzzle. It's of the Colosseum. Guys, I don't have time to do this. It is only 8 pieces, but these can be quite tricky. But what I will try to do is do it and pop a picture somewhere in the screen around here. But that's pretty awesome too. I mean, I like little puzzles. I love things that don't take too long to do. Okay, let's just pull everything else out of this bag and we'll maybe pop some stuff up. Cute. I really, really like that little fidget spinner. I think it's adorable. There we go. You guys can still see our little items. Okay, so the next thing that we have, maybe the biggest thing, is, oh my gosh, Magic Reindeer Poo. It's not even Christmas, but hey ho. It's playable putty. It's magic, gloopy, stretchy, squishy, roll it. Okay. Hopefully this isn't icky. It is brown with glitter. Let's go ahead and open the container. Let's go ahead. Okay, this is really shimmery. Guys, this is old. It's wet. It's hard. There's no stretch to it. I mean, the container's pretty good. But, and it's airtight and new, but yeah, this is pretty old. This is a dud. That's okay. I'm not disappointed or sad. I'll get over it, guys. We get some jelly bean, fruit flavored jelly beans. Not going to open these because I do have remnants of slime on my hands, but it's nice to get a little treat. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, guys, 4 more things. We have a super balloon. Okay, so this super balloon, this is one of these super balloons that you take outside and you pull it until the air is in it and then you tie it off. That's pretty fun. I think that will be really good. It's 225 centimeters. So I think the kids will love to play with that. I think I will keep that in the package. That will be something I will give away. Definitely won't keep it. Guys, let's see what else we've got. Okay, we've got another glow bar. So we got our little, I can't remember what I call that, but we have our other little glow stick toy, which is right here. Is this a clacker? I think. I'm not sure. Let's see what else we got. Oh, well, we got the glow stick. Pretty awesome. Is this, ooh, this is a different, oh no, this is the same green color. That's perfectly okay. What else do we get? Oh, we got another clacker duplicate. I'm still not going to be annoyed. I have 2 little nephews who will like these. The glow stick might be done by the time I see them, but they'll still like making the noise of the clacker. Okay, what is this? A self-inflating light stick. Okay. I'm intrigued. Oh, I've had these before. These are fun. Okay, guys, so these work, I think, along the same premise as the little balloon. You've got a little pack of chemicals inside and you pop it and it inflates. This is supposed to be a lightsaber. So let's go ahead and do that. You guys can see it is inflating. It fills up with whatever the chemical is inside this little pack. We'll just give it a helping hand and it super inflates. You guys can see it's gone from being flat to being a light. Yeah, I think these are supposed to be just like lightsabers. I don't know if you guys can see it fully, but it is exceptionally long and still a lot of fun for kids to play around with. I think these are probably about £1. I think every item's probably around about £1. So, I mean, I think so far I've got value for money. This looks really messy. I'm sorry, guys. But the last little item we have is a totes. I think they're supposed to be like fake trolls or similar to trolls. There are 30 to collect. You've got 1 inside the pack. It says Funner. Hope I get this one. That one looks so cool. They're pretty tiny. They're not huge trolls. Does this have a tear strip? I don't believe it does. Let's go ahead. That was super easy to open. Oh, didn't get the one that I really wanted, but I'm super happy with this one. Look at the hair. The hair is cute. I got this little guy right here. He has a little bag on his chest. He's got these gorgeous green eyes. And look at this pink and green hair. Now, this is a super, super little toy. Look at him. He's so smiling. He's super happy to be out of that bag. Super happy to be part of this toy collection. And the hair, cute, adorable. I love it. Super, super soft. Crazy. Well, guys, that is my mystery box of toys from eBay. If I can find the seller on eBay, I will link it in the description below. Some of these sellers sell random boxes. They put a collection together and they sell a one-off box. If I come across any of these little boxes, I'll put it in the description. Guys, just to let you know, I am selling mystery boxes. They can be random mystery boxes, makeup mystery boxes, collectible mystery boxes, and toy mystery boxes. There will be a link to my eBay in the comments below on different types of boxes that I have if you want to purchase. Anything that you purchase really helps support this channel because all of the profits go into buying more stuff and making more content for you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. If you guys would like to be a subscriber and you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell to be notified of any of my future videos. I truly wish you all the most amazing day. Please, please, please stay safe. Please look out for each other, and I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.